Hi again. In this module, I'm going to show you how I measure the real practical return I get from using AI tools in my day-to-day work. This is not a theoretical model. It's based on actual numbers. So if you've ever wondered, is it really worth paying for these tools? Hopefully you're about to find out. So how do you get started in measuring your AI return on investment? Step one, I recommend that you track your tasks. Just write down what you do each day or week, especially the tasks that take ages, get repeated a lot, or the ones you don't love doing. Next, you can take that list and assess the AI potential. You can ask yourself or use an AI assistant with some prompting to spot tasks that could be sped up, streamlined, or automated. And finally, recommend that you adopt incrementally. Start small, pick one workflow, and use an AI tool to help with it. Then you can compare how long it used to take versus how long it takes now. And that's your starting point for measuring real impact. So, why does this simple calculation work? And why does it work so well? Because it's built around something super simple: how much time you save versus how much money you spend. So, you don't need complicated spreadsheets or algorithms to see the value. If an AI tool saves you hours every week and only costs a few pounds a month, well, that's a win. And once I started tracking it like this, the results become surprisingly clear. So this is an example, a quick look at my own return on investment calculation. So I spend about £61 a month currently across all the AI tools that I currently pay for. And I can work out here that they help me save around 68 hours every month. So that's time I'd have otherwise spent doing more manual planning, rewriting, content creation, admin, and so on. And when you run those numbers, it works out to a minimum ROI of 1,906%. That's right, it's a big number. And that's not even counting the reduced stress, the improved output, or the creative energy that I get back. Of course, it's not all about time. There are other important benefits you can track too. So you've got expertise growth, where you can become a super user and help the whole team improve in their own workloads. Another is production velocity. Can you produce more in the same amount of time? Another is quality. Are the things that you're creating better? And that's measurable. So are you getting better engagement, better conversions, better results? Once you've become a bit of a power user with prompting, you might find that when you experiment that AI enhanced content creation and headlines might give you better results than what you used to achieve on your own. So it'd be interesting for you to be able to monitor that and see if that's true. And of course, there's career value. As you build confidence and skills with using AI tools, you become more capable and valuable. And that's whether you're thinking as a solo worker or as part of a team or as part of a business. So let's not just think about the hours that we save. Let's think about everything that improves when we're supported by AI. So to wrap this up, here's what I recommend. Track your tasks. Get clarity on where your time goes, allowing you to spot AI opportunities, especially in repetitive or time-heavy jobs. Start small. Try one AI-supported workflow at a time. And then you can measure the difference, not just in time saved, but also in quality and quantity. Then you can scale up. So in our last module, we're going to talk a little more about implementation advice, including some supporting templates that we'll make available on the course page. So you can plug in your own tasks and start seeing results straight away. Thank you.